One day.
Watch this map, his skills gonna come up. No, wait, I missed the foot.
You hit the table.
Darren, why didn't you kill that man?
Hey, Rob.
Ah!
I was out of ammo!
I panicked!
Okay, I'm lagging horribly. I can't. Where are you? I can't even see where you are. No, 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 no.
Oh, that was good. That was good.
Oh!
Interesting.
No! Oh. I lost track of you. I kept like the screen kept jumping.
Whee! Ah!
Did I get him? No!
No.
Yeah, everything's lagging again. I don't even know what's going on. Hold on, 1 second. Oh, it's working a bit better at least. Darren's got a shotgun!
Come here, you bitches.
Oh, well, I got fucked up then. I jumped down the wrong side.
No! The kickback pushed him off the edge.
Nope. Shit. Bollocks, missed him.
Yes!
Damn,
I was just sitting there, I'm just like, is that thing gonna explode? Is that a grenade gonna explode? No! 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 No!
Oh, you bitch!
Thank you, Darren.
Don't
get me to do that!
Down to one shot.
Yeah. I did it.
Damn. Oh, yeah, I've got a little machine gun.
Guys, stop. It's hammer time.
Oh, come on!
Oh, you shit!
Hammer time! Hammer
What
time!
are you doing to my body?
Can't touch this.
Hi, Darren.
Yeah, I'm over here. Oh, what the hell is that?
Darren,
There's a
Darren,
little
hold
death
on,
machine
hold on.
underneath me.
I need a new gun. Hold on, 1 sec. Hold on, let me just... Yeah,
I had no idea what that was. I was scared.
I threw a grenade into the portal. I threw another grenade into the portal. Oh, they're all here! I'm just gonna stay here in my hole.
You fucking ass!
Yes, I am.
They confused me like shit. I was walking through, I'm going up and down and up and down.
I don't know how to get out of this. Move!
I'm safe!
Help me.
I'm not safe! I don't know where I am, but I've escaped. I escaped!
Oh, you can't!
Yeah! Duck game!
Damn it!
Get ducked.
Oh, we can't get out this little window of... Oh, fuck off. Oh, you bastard!
Hi, Darren.
Don't
Just
do
you
this
and me,
to
Darren.
Run, Darren! He's coming for you. He is a filthy motherfucker.
No, I'm not. I'm quacking for him.
Oh, Darren.
Yeah.
Oh, leave me alone!
Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Me and you killed each other and Darren just sat in the middle. What's this? What is
What the hell
this?
is this?
I've got like a laser sight. I've got an arm!
How do you fire it?
I don't know!
Oh my fucking god. I'm done.
I won't shoot! I can't shoot! I can't- Ah!
I can't kill you!
Oh god, no ammo! Hold on. Hold on. Hold on! Hold on! do it!
I don't know! Kyle, I'm scared!
I'm Darren now! No! How'd you do the arm?
I don't know how to do that arm. It just kept firing out of me.
No, no! Rude. Darren, why?
Yay.
What? A fucking laser.
It's a slow to shoot laser!
I won one game, I think.
Yep.
Yeah.
And he's won 4, and I've won...
You must be on 5?
Yeah!
Yeah. Ooh, it's neck and neck.
It's neck and neck, and Darren.
Yeah, and Darren.
Ah! He's got the grenade launcher! Rob, help me! Save me, Rob!
Oh my! You got fucked up.
I got fucked up. He's got a grenade launcher, what do you expect?
Oh my god!
Yeah, Darren, 2 points.
I think I shot the grenade. Oh, Darren, why are you stealing my jetpack?
No!
Why you be that man?
I thought I fell off the edge and died. Ah, he's got a hammer!
See ya.
Darren's coming back.
Boy.
I won 2 games in a row. That never happens.
Well, I didn't know what that was. I picked up. I was excited to find out, and then I got shot in the face.
It was a gun.
It's got a giant map
No!
in the front. Yay! Karmic
I had-
strikes are good. They make me happy. Oh, hello.
Rock.
Please don't. Oh, okay, bye.
I just had to
I was scared
intimidate you
of the
with
rock.
a rock. I just threatened Rob with a rock and he jumped off the edge to his death.
Yeah, I was like, fuck this.
No, he's got a thing! He got me! He got me! He got me! He got me!
Oh,
No.
oh, oh,
So, I didn't pull the pin on that grenade.
oh!
Oh my god!
Close.
Okay.
Ah!
Huh! No! 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 Where is it?
Oh,
shit.
Jesus.
Get comfortable.
You've got a
Rob.
turtle on your head. You both got turtles on your head. I'm scared. I don't know what's happening.
I think that's supposed
The
to be
turtles
like...
have gone. You forgot to remove the pin out of that.
I think that means like lag, if you have that. No!
Maybe. So what does the turd mean? When you've got a little shit above your head.
I have no idea. I wonder what that means.
Oh, you
Yes!
fucking shit. Because Darren's now got a little turd above his head.
Oh god, he's got a gun.
poo.
Yeah.
I got Rob at the beginning and I felt so clever. And Darren's catching up. I'm pretty sure he's in the lead now.
What?
No!
No! Should we get
I'm out of ammo!
shotgun?
Shit, so mate.
Surprise, motherfucker!
No! No!
Bollocks!
Oh.
We killed each other.
No, I
Actually, I think we
remember
killed
that has
ourselves.
kickback. I was like, this reminds me a lot of last time. What happened last time?
Who's got the gun? Oh my god, he's got the gun!
The dinosaur duck does.
Throw the rock at him!
Darren, quick! Duck!
Rocks. Oh no, that's me.
Darren, quick! Duck.
You can drop through that middle bit, Darren. Press down and jump. There's a gun! Oh, you're dead.
You mean this one?
You dead, fool.
No, it's got a one shot! I'm just gonna keep running for my life and hope someday it works out for me.
Oh, Darren.
Oh my god,
my
got him.
beard is just bouncing forever.
No, it's not.
You got my beard, why?
Oh, you fucking arsehole.
Wear your rocks.
The vision of you putting my beard on was so much it scared Darren. Oh fuck.
Yes! Yes!
I forgot about the recoil.
Yeah, I fired one too. Oh, fuck's sake.
Whack,
Damn it.
whack.
I was tryharding the shit out of that as well.
I was just like, I'm gonna hammer someone. I'm gonna hammer someone today.
Yay!
Oh, Darren!
Oh.
Good job, Rob.
Ooh. I just dropped it on my toes. Right, kill Cryptlight.
Got it.
Come on.
Kill everyone else.
No. Kill yourself. Right, Darren? Friendly agreement to not kill each other until the Canuck is dead, alright? You
Dead.
You failed me.
Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Oh, he shot me in the anus. He just directly in my butthole.
I am Cornholio.
Right, kill each other. Yay.
Like that? Did we do good, Rob?
Good job. Okay, kill each other again.
No, I don't wanna. Oh god, that's an actual gun. I thought it was a laser. I didn't think it actually killed
shit.
people. Good job, Darren.
Yay.
Damn it, Darren. Why'd you do this? Right, you kill
Damn
each
it,
other.
Darren. Oh, for fuck's sake!
No!
No, he got out!
Yeah, bitches!
Oh, I was so happy that I won, and I didn't. Suck on this, Rob! No, no, no! Let's not talk about what just happened, okay?
What the fuck?
It's a Nerf gun.
Yeah.
Darren, run! Just run, Darren! Just run, Darren! You got this!
Yeah, boy!
Good job, Darren.
Right, kill each other. Get out the tree.
No boy, no boy.
Darren?
Oh, leave me alone.
Darren, just kill him. It's that simple. Just shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him dead. Shoot him to death.
No, Darren, no! Oh, I killed myself.
Good job,
It's
Darren.
alright. I did it. I did bad. I did it bad.
Oh God.
Oh, leave me alone. What?
Luigi does nothing.
Oh, I got hit one of those things. No way.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
I forgot there was a door there. No, 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 no! I don't like this. No! Darren, I believe in... actually, no, I want Rob to win this time. Rob's got less points.
Uh-oh.
Rob, what have you done?
No!
I killed a chicken.
Oh.
I just created a little corridor that I could shoot through.
Why do I keep dying? I got to 10 points and I just started sucking royal scrote.
Oh shit!
Good job, Rob.
I got him! I got him!
I'm blowing this first
Oh, I'm up
chance.
here.
I got a key. Send it your way. No. Okay, I was gonna say that. Better not.
That would have been awesome. What the fuck is this? Oh my god! I'm in charge of a little remote control thing!
Did you run me over or something?
I think so!
Darren, just slash
I don't
him.
think he died.
Aw.
There we go.
Oh, I didn't know Rob was dead.
Yeah, I was dead.
God damn it.
It kind of went over you, but didn't kill you. I don't know why. I think I must have had to press another button.
No, yeah, you have to explode it. I just ducked.
Oh, yeah.
Yes! And the winner goes to...
No way, this is the closest I've ever got!
And I'm taking it away from you.
Boo!
I'm sorry, Darren, but... No.
We could all have free. 1-1 even.
Fine. So long, motherfucker.
I don't care, I'm up here.